Welcome to planetgoals.com. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to create pages in Drupal and link them to menu items. Now, in this tutorial, we will be creating few blocks in the website. Blocks are nothing but section, a section in your web page. Like you see this right side section, you see this top header section, or this bottom footer section, or left side block. So in case if you wanna maybe change a particular section in your web page, or you want a particular section, or I should probably call it a block, as we call these few sessions. Like for example, this can be a block. This navigation, this is called a navigation block, which is available in all the pages. In case if we want to restrict this block to certain particular pages, or maybe we just want to hide this block, how we do that? How can we add our own custom block, or how can we stop a particular block to show on a particular page? We will learn that in this tutorial. So for that, what you need to do is go and click on structure. Once the structure is open, you can see the very first link, that is blocks. Click on blocks. Now you can demonstrate. There is a nice link here that will demonstrate all the regions in your site. So you can click on that link. Now you see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. There are total 15 regions in your website. So you can make a I'll make a new custom region. I will make a custom block and assign it to a particular region. For example, I'll make say I want to show a particular ad in, say, second sidebar in this region. You see this is sidebar second. I will make a block that would be visible in this region. So we'll go back, click on exit block region demonstration, and click back on structure, click on blocks. Now when you are on blocks, what you need to do is click on this add block button. Below that demonstrate block region, you have a add block button. Click on add block. Once you're on block, we'll make a block, say my custom ad. We'll make a block with name custom ad. We won't give any title to the block. We'll just leave it blank, as we don't want that any title to appear there on the block. And I will put a code, say custom ad. For now I will write it 2-3 times. You can also put a HTML code here. You can place a HTML code, say like for example, if you want to place a image, you can put a image src tag. You can also put a PHP code here by clicking on full HTML or PHP. That would show that would run your script or any sort of code that you've put here. Now you want it to appear on sidebar second, so you'll select sidebar second, and if you want to show it on all pages, so I won't write anything here, all pages except those listed here. If I can, you can put the name of pages where you don't want this block to appear. For example, if I don't want this block to appear on contact page, I can simply put the node number here or the URL that state which block I don't want, pages I don't want to show this particular block. We can also restrict it to particular sort of nodes. We have two nodes for now. We have article and basic page. We can also, it depends on what sort of users we want to show this block to. In case if we just want to show this block to authenticated users, we can also make it in that manner. Authenticated users are none but the people who register to your site, and we'll save it. Okay, you see this block has got created here. Now if I go on other page, say about us page, you see that this block is appearing. If I don't want to show it in this particular page, I can go back to configure block and restrict this page, all pages except those listed here. Now this page, if I put about us URL from about us page link, it won't show about us, it won't show on page about us. See, it's not appearing here, but when I go back to home page, that block shows up. So any number of pages you list there on that particular text area, it won't show up. Now if I select the radio as only on listed pages, then it will only show on about us page. Let's save it. Now it is not showing up on home page, but it will show it on about us page. You see how simple it is and how customizable Drupal is. You can make anything in Drupal. I hope this tutorial is useful. I'll continue further in next tutorial. Thank you.